Good morning, family, friends. So here is Yaseem. We made him wait today, half an hour. We're heading to Wadi Shab today. Yesterday, we covered one day at Niswa market. So today we decided to take a trip. It's a purely almost 6 to 7 hours trip. There'll be trekking. So what Yaseem will do is that Yaseem will drop us to that place. Then we can, I believe, take boats. Yeah, it'll cost us 1 riyal per person to take the boat and take a round there, I believe. So it'll be 2 riyals for me and for Anita, one each. And also, if you're a good swimmer, you do not require a life jacket. But if you do require a life jacket, then you pay an extra 1 riyal. We'll find that out there, but this is what Yaseem has told me. So yeah, we're heading there, starting our day today. This is a beautiful, scenery. So we've left from the taxi stand at Ruby, you can say, and this is the view. This is the road that we are going to. So yeah, a lot more to come today. Try and capture as much as we can. There is Anita. She's busy eating a sandwich. All right. So see you all soon. This is Mall Mart. So we have reached Al Amarat. This is where the older apartment of Sonali and Clyde was, where they recently moved. And like I covered yesterday, we came to play football. Clyde came to play football. I cannot. I got bad knees. So if you go a little ahead, that's the Lulu Mall there. Lulu Mall, and that's the beauty of this road. So round about this circle, there is the football field, cricket ground, on the right hand side. We are heading to Wadi Shab. Now this is the view, and finally, after so many days, of course we went to Corniche, but you can see the sea, and we are just going down the road. Awesome.
So beautiful. That is sea. People, that is sea. That is not the sky.
You're from Oman? I'm not too sure. Sea name?
Wadi Shab.
Okay, this is Wadi Shab.
Yeah.
No, sea. The main sea.
Riyadh.
Okay. So yeah, can you imagine? We've been seeing mountains, ranges, everywhere we've gone, beautiful landscape, and now we get to see the sea. We're still heading there, but the view, I started my camera because the view was amazing, and we're still, it's just getting better right now.
Oh,
Now I can see.
small village.
No, it's a proper village, I believe. Oh, look at this.
I don't know whether even camera can take this, but
Yeah, I'm not too sure the camera can take it, but then yeah. Going through the mountains towards the sea. That's a village out there. The Bab. So we capture more. I'm excited, Anita excited. Yaseem is excited. We have his brother who's going to be with us as well. Brother's name is Badar. Badar. I will leave Yaseem's number. Yaseem has an Instagram ID in the description on the videos that we will upload. So yeah, reach out to them directly instead of going through any companies. I'm sure they will provide you a lucrative, if not one of the best packages. So yeah, looking forward for it. Wadi Sham, here we come. Let's go. So we waited for a quick 5 minutes break, a tea coffee break, and then apparently we have Yaseem who met his brother. He's also on the way towards the same location. So we decided to kind of group it together. He's got a bigger gang, and Anita and me are just two of us. So we decided to kind of club in together. Leaving now, and yeah, we had tea and a coffee. Yeah, most importantly, we forgot our GoPro at home. Now, in order to capture videos, I have to use my cell phone. It's not a waterproof one. It's a Samsung S23. So you get these packets, you get these bags, mobile covers, which will cost you. It cost me 3 riyals here.
Because after this point, there is nothing else.
Yeah, after this point, when we go there, we will not have anything to
Apart from
water bottle, which we need to take, keep a bag there, maybe change, go to the water, and then a trek, a short trek. Wadi Shab. It's 1 kilometer. And there is the ocean. Wow.
It has a different color only at the border, yeah. Turquoise color is there. See this land, this is the good landscape.
Look at it, we're going down.
Crazy. And the bridge.
There, here. This is where we will go. This is where we will be. We'll take the boat from here. So we are at Wadi Shab, and you can see the crowd there. So yeah, we got inside, we changed. Now we're going to take a boat. So we have Yaseem with us. He's leading the way. We have his cousin brother.
And it's your.
And this is patient. Look at it. Look at it.
Yeah. Here Mario has taken a life jacket on rent, a 1 riyal each. Well, I am not taking because I'm not going deep inside. I'll be just maybe above my knee. But this is.
So here we go. Taking the boat ride, and I'm heading into the waters. See. This cost us 1 riyal per person. There is Yaseem, there is Anita, and there are a bunch of other people here from other community. They all come to travel. So here we go. Wadi Shab. and then to take us back. So it cost us 1 riyal here. Come on. And then we come back again the same way. Right, here we go. Sorry, hold. So now it's a trek of how many minutes? 15. 1-5. So now it's a trek of 2 kilometers. And we are walking. Look at this. Wow, and we got down there. Oasis in a desert, oasis in mountains. It is. Wow. This looks like I'm gone in the back of year of Exodus, where Father Moses took people, the Israelites. Here we are. People are taking pictures there. 15 minutes walk. No. Wow.
Banana plantations over here. Yeah. I see some banana.
So for this trip, we paid 30 riyals. I think 30 riyals for a day. So which is Yaseem picking us from Ruby and spending the day entire with us. After this, we have a plan to also see the Pebble Beach, if possible, if that's what we can do. Look at it. Wow. See the mountain range. Yeah.
Look at this, the other side. Only mountains.
Only mountains.
I'm so excited. Look at the mountains.
I'm trying to zoom in, Thura. Look at the mountain pictures. See the stones, the gravels? These are like round. If I take them, you see? There is Anita right behind. There's Anita. Go, walk. Walk a little. Wadi Shab. Finally. Yeah. I showed them, like they're round. Yeah. Takle? That's it. 15 minutes track. It's a 15 minutes track, so you'll have to walk. Okay? I'm mesmerized by the layers of the. Would it be right to say layers? I'm not too sure, but look at those. The way they're built, or the way they have originated, rather. Yeah, that's the right word to use. But yeah, awesome. Wadi Shab. Finally, after so much of talking, we are here. Yeah, it's looking nice. Still walking. Still walking. You good?
Sunny, then you can hot. Otherwise, yeah, you can walk with the shade. And if the pebble stones come in, it's really difficult. It like keeps, skating.
Yeah. Oh, wow. It's just the beauty of the location. It's worth the trek. It's worth the walk, it's worth the drive, it's worth everything right now. There is Anita walking, she's slightly slow.
Just get 2 minutes break here. Let me breathe.
Sonia came here, right? I'm wondering.
Now we are crossing the.
Just like in the stones. I've seen 2 minutes. Definitely not advisable for elderly women, people with bad knees. This is not the place to visit because the trekking is on these surface is really smooth. So ensure you wear really, see this is slippery. Ensure you wear good safety shoes with good rubber, with good grip that allows you. You'll come? Okay. Allows you to kind of plant your foot really strong. Because one mistake, and you can see, although it's not deep here, but there are certain points where it's really deep and you may falter. You may fall. You alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Now to hold Anita. Good. So yeah, we're doing this. We are doing this. हम आए हैं अल वादी शाब। अभी हिंदी में ज़रा ट्राई करता हूँ मैं। बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि हिंदी में बात नहीं करता हूँ। मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन हम आए वादी शाब ओमान, ओमान की तरफ। ये बहुत ही टूरिस्टी वादी। वादी का मतलब मेरे हिसाब से ये होगा जहाँ पानी का झरना हो बीच रेगिस्तान में। तो आप ये देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही फेमस टूरिस्टी लोकल एरिया है ये। यू कैन सी, इसको हम कहते हैं इंग्लिश में ओएसिस। इसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहेंगे नहीं समझ में आता, लेकिन या तो देखिए, बहुत लवली। नो, you will fall with it. So it's a good thing that we're walking for sure, but then people, elderly, ये उम्र से थोड़े बड़े एल्डरली पीपल जो उनके लिए ठीक नहीं है। बहुत चलना है यहाँ पर। सरफेस बहुत ही स्मूथ है। यहाँ पर रेत नहीं है। यहाँ पर बहुत सारी ये पूरा पत्थर, माउंटेन यू कैन से। दैट्स व्हाट इज देयर। सो बहुत ही अच्छा है। हमने पे किया इसके लिए। एक टूर गाइड हमने सेलेक्ट किया था, उनको हम 30 रियाल दे रहे हैं। आप बार्गिन कर सकते हो, या आप बार्गिन कर सकते हो। 30 रियाल हो या 40 रियाल हो, 50 रियाल हो। अब इस पैकेज में हमारे पास वादी शाब है और एक जगह है जहाँ स्विमिंग पूल होते हुए गुरु देर। सो ये definitely not the track for the elderly, people with bad knees. I'm trying. Went to play yesterday. I could kick a couple of balls, but yeah, this is a rough track. Yeah, here we are. Come. Lot of people today. It was a 3 days long holiday here for the Omanis. It was a Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Friday we chose to go to Nizwa, and today we are up. Where is Anita? Where's Anita walking slowly? And she's tired, I believe now. Okay. So you see this. Yeah. People are crossing. How they cross? Take care. You have to have really good pair of shoes, strong pair of shoes, which are shoes which you can walk onto. Yeah, good shoes is what you need. Anytime we taking a break now. Let's start. Let's begin. Okay. That's a five. We are slow. It's 6 minutes for us, 16 minutes because we'll take 2 breaks. But a lot of walking. It's good. It's good. It's not bad that we cannot walk.
And it is shady.
The arrow says.
Shady better, but
Yaseem is waiting for us. So, Yaseem, stay properly. Okay. Face. Ready? Shah Rukh Khan. You know Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes.
Yes? Salman Khan. There's a what do you call? A fan of Salman Khan. Yes, that's the arrow there. We continue our journey after taking break.
Slowly.
Yes, you have to plant your foot. That's what I say. This is the arrow which says go the way. You want help? अनिता बोल रही है कि मदद नहीं चाहिए बंदर नहीं
सोलो निंगा सांगलं हिंगा असा इतल्या सोलेकेत म्हाका पोट भितर केलं माझे
Try walking on one.
No, enough. That's it. That's it. Very scared already. Entire landscape so beautiful.
Lot of tourist attraction here. Definitely great, good. All right. Finally, we are here. We have reached here, and now, yeah, this is where we were. Yeah, we came walking all the way from there. Now, this is where it is. Now we go dip in the water. We take a
And
dip,
it's right there, straight ahead.
which is right there still. Yes. Okay.
So now excited. Finally reached.
Okay. Let's go down.
Now let's go.
Yaseem, you lead. We go this way now. We go in the water. Yasin is going to lead us. Masha, sir. In the water now. Oh, slippery, sir. Sit down. Come on, let's go. Okay? The stones are not rough. You're not feeling it. Unlike us, they are like pebbles around.
And to be honest, I have worn shoes because I cannot walk in the soil stone.
Walk.
I can tell you that it's not mossy, so you can.
And they are not rough. Unlike us. Why a wool t-shirt? The water is definitely cold for us. I'm not used to this cold water. It's cold for me. You guys are good. Oh my god.
I don't know how you're going to go to the end.
I'm sorry for the language. Yaseem, I need to see you jump. Come on. Yaseem told me it's going to be a little warm. It is not. It is cold. I will catch cold fast. Anita and me both will be, instead of landing to India, we'll be in the hospitals here. We're going to pay a lot of money. But yeah, beautiful is worth. Yeah. I don't have a selfie. Okay, you're jumping. Ready? Yasin, come on. Here we go. But scenic. You want to come to this place once in a while. Yeah, once in a while.
And I am going to freeze. How are you feeling, darling?
Oh. cold.
Very cold.
It is not very cold, but it's cold.
And look at his condition. Now he does not know where to go. But it is really cold and cold and cold.
Good, good.
Ah, baby. How are you? Come on. Turn. Turn.
I'm also freezing.
Look at me.
My jewels, precious jewels, are freezing.
I'm putting this in the water.
Maar als je zwemt, mag je toch wel.
Maar je kan zwemmen met je schoenen. Nee, dat is het echt niet.
Maar no.
Ik heb je naar je tafel laten houden. Je mets dans l'eau, hein.
Tu nous as dit là.
Kalagal. Kalagal. Masih ani kalagal.
Ani galu? Ani? Okay?
Towel in the back there.
Mister?
You left the water on the boat and the towel in the back.
Nana.
Does? Oh yeah. I'm not swimming.
Stand properly, Ray. Watch here.
Okay. What's nice is the water's so fresh, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really nice.
When you went in Ingleton Falls,
Actually, lenses I have not put still in the water. I'll put lenses and through come out. Hello, and finally
Beautiful
we
feeling.
are out of the waters. Trust me, too cold, too chill.
Cold for us, not for everyone. We are not used to. If you're a good swimmer, you can go deep inside and you know cover a lot of stuff. Yaseem went inside and apparently we didn't give a camera to him, otherwise he would have taken. We forgot a GoPro at home. That's the worst thing. Otherwise Yaseem could have had that GoPro with him. So then this is where we are right now. We've just taken a dip. Yaseem's sitting. Yeah. And then yeah.
This is the end when you enter and actually the stretch is still there, that end over
There inside.
right till inside. Now we do not know swimming, that's why we are stuck only at this entrance. People are enjoying it, And there is a lot of tourists around here, no? From every part of the country.
Yes, every part of the world.
Yeah.
So we are done with our trek, with our little, not swimming, skinny dipping, you can say, a little. And yeah, we're heading back home towards the car. We'll change, and then we go to the sinkhole. So yeah, a good time. Water was cold for us. We are not used to. I don't swim, so I could not get into too deep. But then Yaseem's brother, who had a group, I believe they're Chinese, not too sure. So they went, they got a good swimmer, so they went all the way inside. So yeah, closing the track. Now we're heading towards the sinkhole. Okay.
What else you want?
Yeah.
And he was son of God. He loves it. See the pebble. So Lisa, कितनी गावाची थी?
Philippines.
All?
Yes.
He doesn't look like.
Friends, they said, no? So it's okay.
Ah, so beautiful.
I'll show you
walking
the mountains.
Bethlehem. To see Jesus.
This is like best track, no?
The date tree gives that point.
Yeah.
Like orange.
The track is amazing. So far so good. So now we are heading to, where are we heading to?
We are heading to Pebble Beach.
No.
We are heading to
Sinkhole.
Sinkhole.
Sinkhole where we cannot swim. If I can jump, and if I can, Badar and Yaseem can pull me up, then I'll not sink. Otherwise it is literally a sinkhole for me.
Might open up the hub for you. Looks like that chop. बस इतले से तय इंसान तो बस I'm showing everyone. Hi everyone.
Namaste.
And finally we have taken a break. And what is this place? This place?
This is Wadi Shab.
This is also Wadi Shab?
Yeah, this whole area.
Whole
Wadi
in
Shab.
location.
Oh, Tiwi, sorry. This area Tiwi.
Tiwi.
Tiwi. Yeah.
TV.
Tiwi. Yeah.
TV. T-I-W-I.
W-E-A.
Okay. Yeah. And we have all varieties. We have chicken tandoori, we have mixed vegetable,
A royal lunch by
we have fish,
happy
tahina,
with us.
salad, dal, biryani rice, chicken, and this is like whole dawat.
beef.
T-I-W-I.
Yeah, Tiwi. Tiwi.
Tea.
Let's start.